सध्या वातावरण म्हणजे कितें म्हादयचो जो पळय ट्रायब्युनलाच्या मुखार टप्पो आसा that has come to the final stage. Evidence is over, all witnesses are examined. Karnataka has been given liberty to examine one or two witnesses if they wish for. And that list they have to file before 15 January. Otherwise, on 6th of February, arguments in the matter are bound to start. We are supposed to file our written arguments by 15 January. So, आमचे written arguments सध्या चालू आसा, तयारी चालू आसा. And 6th of February, I am going to commence my argument. I am going to take at least a month to complete my arguments. So February I will take, March will be Karnataka, April few days may be taken by Maharashtra. Then I will rejoin if necessary for few days, depending upon what case they try to make out. And with that it is over. By July, June, July you should get the tribunal's award.
तुम्ही म्हणतात की फुडल्या 6-7 महिन्या भितर या केसीचो निकाल लागतलो.
By August, because by August 2018 the term of the tribunal also comes to an end. So before that they have to give the award.
And before that we will have the verdict. How strong do you think right now are we in the tribunal?
Basically I would say that despite all odds, Goa has been fairly able to put up a very formidable fight before the tribunal, and Goa's case is much stronger. And of course, I'm not brandishing about my own this one, but
everybody is appreciating. Everybody is appreciating.
Mhadei team, because we have had 2-3 successes in between, but that has not gone to our head. We are trying our best even now, because the whole idea is to save the Mhadei river. Mhadei river as such is something which is not negotiable. We want Mhadei, we want Mandavi, we want this Mhadei river to flow in Goa. That is something which is not negotiable. All of us have the cause of Mhadei which is very dear to our heart. So we are putting it our life's best.
Do you think Yeddy can be trusted?
If you ask me, Karnataka is an opponent insofar as I am concerned before the tribunal. So under no circumstances I am going to trust anybody from Karnataka or Karnataka as a state. For the simple reason that Karnataka has a checkered history where despite tribunal's award, Supreme Court judgment, they have come out with ordinances and all. So I am not prepared to trust Karnataka at all. But as I told you, this Yeddy business, Siddaramaiah, Mr. Manohar Parrikar writing to them or something like that, is in the political realm, it is not in the legal realm.
आज समजा immediately सिद्धरामय्यान पत्र बरयलें. He just tried to seize the opportunity.
He should have seized it long back.
म्हाका मुद्दम लोकांक कळपा खातीर ना, सामकी क्लियर हातूंत भितर फाल्यां जर गोंयांत ठरयलें, म्हाजें आमी कन्सिस्टंटली म्हळ्यार even in your every interview before you have consistently maintained ki in basin use for drinking purposes we have never opposed.
No, we can't oppose, we cannot oppose.
Cannot oppose. फाल्यां समजा अशी परिस्थिती आयली की ते आमी म्हणले तशें की पिवपा खातीर उदक व्हरात आनी ते मागतात 7.5 TMC. Actual on ground कर्नाटकाक पिवपा खातीर कितली उदक पुरो?
Now in basin use of Karnataka, in basin, that is not Hubli Dharwad, but this Belgaum, Khanapur, Kankumbi region.
Yes.
Whatever water they require for drinking, there could be no objection of the riparian state for them to withdraw that water. And that we have stated in our claim statement itself, because that is what is the requirement of law.
Yes.
We can't take a stand like some activists can take. I'll not give a drop of water to Karnataka.
But पिवपा खातीर तांकां कितली TMC जाय?
पिवपा खातीर it could be hardly, for people living in Belgaum, Khanapur and all, maybe 0.1 TMC. More than enough.